For your reference, I have my woven wall hanging upside down. The loops at the top of my piece are approximately 3¼ inches long, and I'm using a 5/8 inch thick dowel. To get started, I'm going to be using 2 loops at a time. I'm opening them up the same direction and stacking them on top of each other. Then I'm holding half with my left hand and half with my right hand. I'm going to flip over, creating these 2 loops. I'm going to grab those 2 loops and bring them together, which creates another loop. Then I can simply slip that over my dowel and tighten it up, and that's a lark's head knot. Now, one tip I have to make this even more secure on your dowel, as these like to loosen up, is as follows. You're going to take your 2 loops again, open them up together, part in your left hand, part in your right hand, flip them forward, and then we're going to flip these 2 forward again, then bring the 2 loops together, slip them over the dowel, and tighten that up. What this does is creates almost like a braid-like effect, and it keeps the loops tighter on the dowel. Let's do that again. So we have 2 loops, we're stacking them on top of each other, opening them up with both hands, flip forward again, bring the loops together, slip them over the dowel, and tighten up the loops. Click right here to watch more of our weaving tutorials.